Hello, guys. Welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto with David Blunt. Today, we're talking about which crypto trend will dominate in 2025. Let me know if you can hear me, if everything is working. Let me just go live in all platforms. Yeah, I hope everything is working. Before we get into any content, I will just do our quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research, as always. But, however, let's talk about crypto. And it's been a very boring week, but it's also a very great signal, right? We're not deep in. But remember, as I mentioned in the previous live, I am still waiting on a daily, right? Let's move to BTC. Let's have a look together. Let me know what you guys are trading today. If you're long in anything, if you want me to have a look in any specific project, any altcoin, what you guys think about the market, because it's very, very boring at the moment. Bitcoin is sitting at 97,000 today. It feels like it feels a bit bearish, right? It's going to be bearish at 70,000, right? Guys, as I mentioned, I believe sooner or later we're going to touch the 200 EMA period. So it's currently at 83,936. So whatsoever, if we do drop to the EMA, it's a great thing, right? We have to correct, and the market has memory, right? Sooner or later, no matter how much we're pumping, we have to go back to the 200 EMA to pump once more. So if we go to the 4 hourly time frame, it's holding very, very strong at this level, right? It's a very clean support. Let me draw here a box so you can understand. It's a very, very clear support, but however, on a daily is not formed yet. So that makes me think if I really want to take this long, I am not sure. I'm really not sure. I'm waiting on a daily. The 4 hourly time frame RSI is pointing a little bit to the upside, but we are struggling though to break through. Okay. However, if we do long, next target price 100k. If we go to the daily again, and if we break down, my target price will be 83,784. Same time though, the 200 EMA is squeezing to the upside, so we could see a small drop and just holding back and going all the way up to 100k, right? So those are both things to have a look at. But however, the daily, it's a very, very strong indicator. And the daily, it's always the best one to be looking at, even if we're trading on the 4 hourly time frame. Long term talking, Bitcoin and Ethereum still like the best performing assets, close to our current economy. Going to the Ethereum daily, it's very different than BTC. Let me draw the box. And let me know, guys, what do you think about Ethereum as well? Okay, here on Ethereum, it's very, very clear that we have a support. Okay, so Ethereum is very good on a long perspective today. Comparing to BTC, for me, okay, it's a better entry. So 3,000 3096 could be the next breakout on a daily for Ethereum. Going to the 4 hourly time frame is also on a buying zone. Looking into the other side, but it's consolidating for whatever reason. And the breakout, it's around 3,000 and 100k. Okay, so yeah, that's what I personally believe that what's going to happen with Ethereum. And it's very, very boring, I'm not gonna lie, at the moment. But there is also a great signal to have a boring market. We are consolidating and holding the price. Okay, so sooner or later the movement will arrive. Moving to cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap today is sitting at 3.19 trillion, a 1.55% decrease over the last day. Fear and greedy index is at 35. So when fear is on the market, I am personally bullish, right? So people is starting in to be neutral at this point. And yes, guys, be patient, okay, during those moments. Um, Whatever, we're just consolidating right now, but it's a great signal, really, for me. Moving to the latest article, let me share my screen with you. Let's go to the latest. Bitcoin traders eye huge US jobs data as BTC price risks 95K dip. Bitcoin traders brace for huge US jobs report with BTC price stability hanging in the balance. Bitcoin staged lower on February 7 as prediction market warned of a huge beat for US employment. US jobs data, fresh Bitcoin headwind. Data from Cointelegraph, Markets Pro, and TradingView show that BTC USD hovering around 97K after dropping as much as 3.5 on the day prior. US jobless claim came into slight higher than expected, and while notionally beneficial risk asset, BTC was not moved to celebrate. Going forward, market commentators expect a further employment-related market up reveal. Are we set for a huge jobs report by tomorrow? Trading resourced the Kubesi letter in an ex post February 7. Kubesi referred to upcoming data relating to jobs added in January, a growing between an official estimates and odds on prediction services meant that more risk asset pressure might come before the weekend. Higher than expected, the labor market growth would have implications for financial policy, allowing the Federal Reserve to keep interest rates higher for long with risk assets headwinds to match. Prediction market currently expects that 238,000 jobs were added to the US economy in January per Colchi. In fact, there is a 28% chance that over 300K jobs were added in January. The post continued and mentioned this is significantly above the Wall Street median expectations of 169K jobs added. If the US economy adds over 300K jobs, it would mark the first such occurrence since March 2024. Prediction markets see as a strong start to the labor market in 2025. Tomorrow's job report is huge, sourced by Colchi. The latest data from CME Group Fed Watch 2 underscore market lack of conviction over further policy easing in Q1. Okay, even a small 0.5 to 20% interest rate cut at the Fed's next meeting in March is currently attracting odds of just 14.5%. Fed target rate probabilities sourced by CME Group. Bitcoin price forecasts see liquidity hunts returning. BTC price action, meanwhile, respected entrance range which clear bands of liquidity, reducing the chances of significant volatility. And that's why we're facing a consolidation. Short-term liquidity is surrounding current price, so wouldn't surprise me for both sides to get a run before the real move occurs. Trademark explained to the ex followers. With both the weekly showing significant liquidity to the upside. My guess would be a run for the 90.95K liquidity and then up for the significant areas of interest above the last month's high. Bitcoin liquidity data sourced by Mark Cullen on X. Fellow trader Skew agreed, suggesting that an external volatility catalyst was required to spark a strong BTC price trend, another very much pinned market to resolution, usually driven by macro. AX post about the Binance spot market stated and mentioned. Currently, market quotes the price range for today. Expected price action 100K, 95K. Again, sideways from where we are at the moment, and that is related to the Bitcoin USDT 50-minute chart with liquidity data Binance sourced by Skew/X. Skew retain the importance of the day employment figures. This article does not contain investment advice or any recommendations. Every investment and trading move involve risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. US job data, fresh Bitcoin headwind. That was the latest today from Cointelegraph. And I'm not going to go into the entire jobs report. But yeah, we're waiting on some movement from the US to see what's going to happen with the volatility and liquidity whatsoever, still on the creation side. Moving back to today's crypto gainers and losers. Let me know how you guys are doing. You guys trading memes, trading altcoins, what is currently playing out. The top crypto gainers and losers today by coin market cap. The top gainer today is Bearer Chain. And by the way, I've seen loads of airdrops around Bearer Chain. So if you're early adopter, if you are around Web3 communities, you probably got the airdrop and you probably got this free money from everywhere, even if it's a low amount. It's interesting to track all the crypto airdrops, news, and whatsoever, right? So make sure to follow Voice of Crypto across socials and stay up to date with Web3 updates, okay? However, Bearer Chain, it's trading at 7.66 today and is up 665.94%. I am not trading personally, but yeah, I'm jealous actually of whoever got this massive pump. And if you got the airdrop, congratulations. This is really, really skyrocketing today. But if you are trading meme coins and altcoins, be careful. Do not invest what you can't afford to lose because they are extremely volatile assets. Number two, we got Flare, FLR, currently at 2 cents and is up 5.38. Not so exciting, but it's still on the pumping zone, I would say. Third place, we got on the losers today. I mean, on the gainers, it's up 1.28%. So nothing to compare with Bearer. Bearer is definitely leading the way on gainings side today. But moving to the top losers, we got Tau currently trading at 333.32, is down 9.97% on the past 24 hours. And second place, we got XCN. I hope I am pronouncing it right. Onyx coin trading at 2 cents and is down 8.62% on the past 24 hours. We got Sui, which is a very interesting blockchain project. By the way, if you are, interested, go on and read the white paper, do some, research, but is a very, very interesting one to have a look at. And it's currently trading at 3.23 and is down 6.52%. So nothing very exciting. Hyper liquidity still around on the loser side. Fifth Network. I always mess up on this name. And currently trading at 0.80, but I think it's an interesting one to accumulate for the long term. Not really on a trading side talking, but yeah, guys, let me know what do you think about the altcoin market and memes. Before we close, let's move to cryptobubbles.net just to have a outlook on the entire wow on the entire altcoin slash memes. It's very very bloody today, and yes, might be time to accumulate some gems, right? So if you're looking into the top gainers today, we got comedian. I'm not familiar with, but however, is up 120%. That's a lot really for a meme coin. And on the losing side, we got a massive opportunity, right? We got a lot of bags on a bad um and a red momentum today, such as Cetus protocol is down 43.6% on the weekly. So if you're looking to buy today, it's a definitely great buying opportunity. Make sure to go to the weekly. The weekly is more accurate than the 4 hourly time frame. Okay. And you got a lot of opportunity on a weekly. So definitely times to start accumulating altcoins and memes. But remember, those are extremely volatile. So do not invest at all if you can afford to lose. And yes, overall, we got to wait really to see what's going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. At the moment, we have no volume, nothing is happening. But sooner or later, we're going to see a movement. And as I always mention, it's better to wait and be sure about our next move. However, guys, I will see you on the next live. Let me know if you have any inquiries. Don't forget to visit Voice of Crypto website, join the tally, and be part of our community. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.